You'll probably have heard about the change we are making to the way around 2/3 of Jersey taxpayers pay their tax. On the 4th of November, the State's Assembly agreed to move all prior year basis or PYB taxpayers onto a current year basis or CYB. This means that for these customers, their 2019 tax bill is frozen for payment later, and their 2020 payments, originally for their 2019 tax bill, are used to pay their 2020 tax liability. Because your 2019 bill is now frozen, you don't need to worry if you think you might have a shortfall in tax payments you've made towards it, as now it doesn't need to be paid by December. One of the main questions PYB taxpayers are asking is when they'll know if they have a credit or balance to pay when they become a CYB taxpayer. We'll only be able to answer this once we've received and assessed your 2020 tax return. There are 4 steps we need to go through before we can tell you, and one of them relies on you. Step 1. Revenue Jersey will complete all of the 2019 tax assessments. This assessment confirms the amount of 2019 tax that will be frozen for individual PYB taxpayers. Step 2. Revenue Jersey will make the switchover for PYB taxpayers to become CYB taxpayers. Changes will be made to move all of the payments originally made to cover taxpayers' 2019 liabilities towards their 2020 bill. Step 3. From January you can file your tax return. This is a key step. We need all of the information in it about your income and any allowances you may be eligible for, so we can assess the tax due on your 2020 income. You're encouraged to file online, as it helps to speed up the assessment process, avoiding the need for your tax return to be manually input. Step 4. In January 2021, we start assessing the returns for existing CYB taxpayers, and in February, we'll start assessing tax returns for former PYB taxpayers. This will be done in a date received order, checking the tax you paid in 2020 against the tax you owed for 2020. We'll send you an assessment, and if you pay by ITIS, a revised CYB rate will also be included. We can't complete Step 4 until we have your return, so if you're keen to get certainty on whether you have a balance to pay or a credit due for 2020, please complete your 2020 tax return as early as possible. Online filing will be open from early January 2021. If you filed online last year, you'll get an email as soon as the form is available. Those who haven't filed online yet will still receive a paper return, but can choose which option to use. We hope sharing this 4-step process is helpful to you and explains what needs to happen before we confirm your 2020 tax position.